Okay, so I have a little bit of a different video today. I was sent these nice lights from Auxito. I'll have a link to their website. If you use it, you get 15% off your purchase, and I get 10% commission off of each purchase. No pressure, it's there if you want it and not if you don't. So these are the Y19 series, the H11, H8, H9 bulbs. It comes with a pair of gloves, some zip ties, little gaskets, and some sticky tape, and the bulbs themselves. These are very nice quality-wise. They have a nice weight to them. They seem super quality, super well made. The connector, very nice. The bulb itself, nice. Got a little fan in there. They seem to be super well made, and yeah. So let me get the headlights out of this car and we'll put them in, and I'll show you a before of what the stock bulbs look like right here. All right, that's what the OEM ones look like dim. And then I will show you what they look like with the new LED bulbs in. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to do this without taking the bumper off because I just really don't want to do that. So this little cover right here has to come off, and it's on there pretty tight. I just used a right hook pick. The headlight is right here. Okay, so the bulb and the socket both get turned. Alright, the bulb is out right here. Now I can take the connector off. Alright, slipped out. Here's the old bulb. Again, here's the new one. A little bit of a comparison. So I'll hook this connector up here. Okay, once you get it back in, it is oriented a certain way where the teeth line up, and then you turn it to the right. I'm going to come over to the passenger side and do the same thing. Alright, here's the passenger side bulb. Like I said, super nice quality. I can't wait to see how these look, like how bright they are. Alright, the wiring is connected. Now to get this back in place. It is keyed in a certain way, so it is, it does have to go back in a certain way. And space is a little bit tighter on the passenger side. Alright, it's in place. Now I just gotta lock it down. This one is in. There's a little bit of fighting and fussing, because it's actually kind of difficult to turn back into place, but it's in. I'm going to close it up, and then I'm going to test it on the wall back here. Alright, I think that's a pretty noticeable difference. I would highly recommend these. At this point, super good product, super good price. Again, it's Auxito. So yeah, highly recommend. 2 thumbs up for now. I hope you've enjoyed this video. All right, until next time, later.